Hi guys, this is Shashank and welcome back to Academy. Before we start today's video, let me remind you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Hi guys, welcome back to Excel VBA series and today is part 6, that is understanding macro security. So what does it mean, we will explain in this video. So in my earlier video we have discussed that how to protect your macros or your VBA codes while sending those files to other users. But in this video we will talk about that how to protect yourself from the macros or the VBA codes which has been sent to you by the other users. So what does it mean actually? It means that VBA macros is nothing but a VBA code that can be converted into a virus because it's a coding language written in a Visual Basic, and we have seen a lot of examples where we have received Excel worksheets which contain some serious viruses. So what a virus can do to you? It can cause a serious damage to your computer, it can delete your files, it can send information from your PC to other users, or it can even corrupt your Windows. So that's why macro security features was introduced in Excel 2007 to prevent these types of problems. So let us see that how to protect yourself from the unwanted macros or VBA codes embedded in an Excel worksheet. If you can see that in the top of my worksheet there is a yellow warning which is asking for that macros has been disabled, and to enable the macros please press here. So this is a default feature in Excel 2013 or 16 you can say, where macros are by default disabled by Excel worksheets. So if you trust that macros are from trusted sources, you can enable them. If not, then you can leave it aside. So let us see that how to change the security settings of an Excel worksheet. First of all, go to File tab, go to Options, and then go to Trust Center. Go to Trust Center settings and then press on macro setting. You can see here that there are 4 types of macro settings. The first one is disable all macros without notification. It means that if you check this option, you will not get notification whether this Excel file contains any VBA code or not. So this is not a good option. Second one is disable all macros with notification. Yes, this is by default feature given by the Excel worksheets. So third one is disable all macros except digitally signed macros. So here is the third one. So digital signs, you all know that it's a digital authenticity of the workbooks or any document which is presented electronically. So if your worksheet contains digital sign, Excel worksheet will enable those macros automatically. And fourth one is enable all macros, which is written that it's not recommended, potentially dangerous code can run. Yes, VBA codes can contain virus. So this is how you can change your security settings before running any VBA code into your Excel worksheet sent by the other users. So press OK and go back. And I hope that you have learned a lot about basics of Excel VBA macros and VBA codes, how to protect them, how to secure yourself. So keep watching my videos and we will upload many more videos in this series with introduction to VBA code editor windows and how to start writing your first VBA code in Excel VBA. So till then guys, see you. Thank you very much for watching this video and keep watching my upcoming videos in this series.